Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we're working on this 2015 Dodge Durango with a 5.7 liter Hemi engine in it. It's a beautiful truck. It sounds really good. I like it. It's becoming a lot of maintenance. It's got about 170,000 miles on this one, so I got a lot of videos coming out on this vehicle as well. I got the motor mounts going. We did radiator, the PCV valve that we're doing right now. I believe we have an air filter change, which is easy. I should do a cabin air filter, so watch for a cabin air filter on that. But on this one right now, PCV Valve 2015 Dodge Durango 5.7 Hemi engine. Of course, you're going to need the PCV valve. This is the old one that I removed from the engine. And how do you know these are bad? Real quick, you should be able to blow through the bottom, but you can't suck. So, you might get some oil or fuel vapors in your mouth. You might die, so don't do this actually. But I'm just going to show you how it works, all right? So you should be able to blow, but not suck through it. This one's really clean, like I said. This is the old one. So when you suck on it, you shouldn't be able to suck through it at all. It should be completely sealed when you're sucking on it, and it has to be vertical like this. It's not going to seal when it's sideways. So it has to be vertical like this. You should not be able to suck. You should be able to blow through it though. So that's how you could test this PCV valve. You're going to get the stuff in your mouth, and that for sure you're going to cause cancer. So don't do it, okay? Maybe you blow through it and they'll use a vacuum pump or something. So that's how you test this real fast. Let's go and replace this. This procedure takes about 45 seconds, and all you really need is a small pair of pliers to turn this if it is kind of tight. You'll notice when I put the new one on, I am putting some oil on the new gaskets or the new seals on there so they slide in easier and turns. So real simple. If you need the PCV valve, make sure you look for a link in the description below to purchase one. Supports me too, so please purchase one there if you need it. Like, subscribe, and share while we're watching, and let's get going on this quick video. Thanks for watching. Get your new PCV valve ready. Hopefully you are opening a package you got from ordering off a link in the description below. Here's the PCV valve. This is the brand new one. You could blow on it very easily, but you cannot suck on it at all, or suck air through it, I should say. This confirms that the PCV valve is good in this case. If the PCV valve is bad, you will be able to suck air through, and you got to make sure that the PCV stays vertical when you do that test. Remove the engine cover. Here is your new PCV valve, the one you ordered from the link in the description again. Lefty loosey, righty tighty on your PCV valve. If you need a little bit of leverage, get a small pair of pliers. Just make sure you don't break your PCV valve and give yourself a bigger job. So if it's really hard, figure out a better plan of attack. Lube up the new O-rings on the new PCV valve, either using some old oil or new oil. Just make sure there's no debris in your oil at all. Go ahead and reinstall it after you take a look at them both. Just make sure you have the same exact PCV valve. I haven't seen any similar ones to these. If it fits, it fits from what I've noticed so far. Go ahead and tighten it on down nice and snug. Don't over tighten it, and make sure that it is flush on both sides of the PCV valve so you don't get a vacuum leak. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Real easy process. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next, hopefully helpful video.